So I recently used Google's anti-gravity to develop and deploy one end-to-end functioning project. Yes, you heard it right. I don't just develop a project but deploy it as well using the Google's anti-gravity. And here is how. So let me firstly demonstrate the project. So project is simply a learning management system, a LMS for our college club website. So where there exist three roles: admin, lead, and members, each having their own functionalities, and when they log in to their account, they will be redirected to their respective dashboard. So let me start with the admin. Now I just have to log in into the admin account. Here is the username and password. Now I will be get redirected to the admin dashboard. So here is the admin dashboard. You can see what you got here is total number of users, then the active domains that will be discussed later in the video, then the system status and the server load. Also, it shows the recently joined user and available domains overview. So first come first, what is this all about? So simply we having a club named Elite where there is a different domains such as web development, AI/ML, cyber security, where each domain will be controlled by their domain leads, which will be providing content, syllabus, taking quizzes, and etc. for the members. And to manage all these functionalities, we will be having this LMS where the admin role is he can create new domains, he can create new users, he can assign the domains to any lead. So firstly, we will go for the user section where I will be demonstrate the all functionality which the admin got in the user section. So let's go for it. As you can already see, here's the list of all user we have in our LMS. We can see their username, emails, roles, and domain which they belongs to. Now what admin can do is admin can filter them out and he can create new users. When he create a new user, he will be get the form to create his username, email, password, select his role, whether he is member or a lead, and assign the domain as well. So as you can see, I just created the new member which will be shown here in the top. Now I can either delete him or let him here be. So let me show the delete functionality as well. As you can see, the members I just created is deleted now. Now let's go for the domain section. Now here's the same thing. You can see here's available domain shown which admin have created so far. He can either create new domains or edit the current setting of the existing domains, such as let's go for the edit functionality of the AI/ML domain. Now you can see I'm assigning new lead for AI/ML domain and he's assigned now, and similarly I can delete him as well. So far this is all about the admin, but the main part is the whole functionalities I shown you is completely based on the prompts. And this is not just it, there is more which you will be seeing in the lead and the members part. So let's go for the lead section. So I just logged out and logging in. So this is the dashboard for the lead, where on the dashboard you get the pretty much preview and shortcuts. Like you can see the total active members, then there is a pending submission, total average of quiz, then there is a competition rate. As the members are very low, that's why it's show like this. Then there is a shortcut button for creating new assignments, quiz, and resources. And on top of that, here is a recent submission with the status of checked or not checked. So if he didn't have checked any submission recently, he can go for it directly. Then for the next part, we got the resources. Yes, if there is a LMS, there is a resources. So for the resources part, firstly, so for the resources, let's got the filters, so he can filter out all the uploaded resources till now. Then he can add new resources as well. While he's adding the resource, he got two options. Either he can upload the file or share any kind of links. So let me just create the new resource. So when I upload the file, it's automatically detect its type and accordingly filter it out. So as we uploaded the file, let me just create the new resource. And so the uploaded resource is added here. Also we can preview any of them. Like let me show you the preview of my PDF I uploaded recently as a resource. Then the members also will be getting the download functionalities, and for the videos are the complex part. And I'm very amazed when I see how much smoothly the anti-gravity has implemented this part. As you can see, the videos are perfectly working, uploaded ones as well and the shared one as well. And the best part is it's not redirecting them on the new tab, where if the user get redirected, there exists a chance of distraction. That's why the members is remain on the same tab only. So now let's move on the next tab, that is assignment tab. It's like a simple assignment as we got in our colleges, where you can either upload the files or directly submit in person. As you can see, there exist two assignments already. Now let me just create the new one. As I provided the title and the description, what it's supposed to be. Now the assignment is created and the notification is that assignment is posted to the members is shown here. Yes, notification functionalities are also working very fine. Now comes the next quiz part, where simply Lead can create quizzes which can be attempted by the members, and based on that they will be get graded. So let me create the new quiz. As you can see, I'm creating a quiz where I can add multiple questions. There's a types as well for the questions, that is short answer, long answer, and MCQ. In the MCQs I can create multiple options, delete them if there is any extra options get added, or add new questions as well. So I created the new quiz as well. So far we have created assignment and quizzes. So the next part comes is the submission, as if there exists the quizzes and assignment, there must be a submission for both of them where the Lead can grade it, and based on the ranking functionality will be worked. So here's the submission part. Firstly, Lead can filter them out. Each of them will be showing their status that they are graded or not. So let me just grade this left out assignment. So I just clicked on the grade button, and I got the attachment which the user have uploaded. For the testing functionality, I just uploaded anything, so just ignore it. Now once the Lead check the upload, he can grade the assignment, save it or reject it. So we just save the grade. Then there is a quiz section as well. Here is also the list of all quizzes we have so far submitted. We can grade it as well. Here's the submitted question answer members have submitted. We can grade them as well. So let me just grade it. So this is so far about the Lead functionalities. Here the notification panel, where all notification for submitted quiz or created quizzes are shown. Now let's move forward for the members dashboard. So firstly, let me just logged out. Let's just hold up a bit, and as in a start I told you that I deployed it as well. So you can see that the deployed link is here shown. You can go and check it out directly that it's completely functioning. You can register as member, as the creating Lead is only access to the admin. So you can check it out, go check it. So about the deploying using the anti-gravity, what I did is, if you have used the anti-gravity, it's provide the functionality where the anti-gravity have the complete access on a browser, where it tests the whole working project like the testing software such as Selenium do. So what I just think is, if it have a total access on the browser, why don't I just give it my Vercel link where I have already logged in, and tell it to create a project, connect it to the database and just deploy it. So I just did it, and I'm get completely shocked when it's really got deployed, and here it is. I will try to add the little image of it's checking the web browser and all, so you can just refer and understand what's actually happened. And yes, believe me, it's not just the front end, it's completely working back end. You can join as the new members in our LMS website. You will get the resources, assignment, quizzes, and you can attempt them as well. So if you are curious about it, just go and try it. So this is all about the deployment. Now let's move forward the members part. So here's, I just logged in the members dashboard, and here it is. So just like the other two, the members dashboard also provide the pretty much overview of the whole functionalities. Like here you can see your total points, new assignments, and the total task you have completed so far, and the number of resources as well. Then here's the upcoming deadlines, that if there is a deadline for some assignment, you get informed here. And yeah, recently uploaded resources are also there. Now once you're done with the overview, you can go for the resources. The resource functionality is pretty much same as the Leader, where except the creating new resource, what member will get is, he can filter out the uploaded resources, he can view them, he can download them as well. And the best part is the integrity of the software, where the specific resource uploaded by a specific domain lead will be goes only for the respective domain members. So if the AIML domain lead uploaded something AIML stuff, it will only be shown to the AIML members, not the cybersecurity of web dev. So this integrity is pretty much difficult to implement when we develop any software. As a fellow engineers, you can also understand this, but this complexity is just removed using the prompts, which is pretty much shocking. So if you haven't given the chance to any AI so far, please go and try them, especially this anti-gravity. Now let's go for the assignment part. So in the assignment section, as we just created the assignment on the Lead side, here you can see the test assignment is visible to the respective member. He can attempt it. So member can just upload the assignments. So let me just upload any file to just check it out. So we're done with that. Let's just submit it. So yeah, we just submitted our assignment successfully. Now let's go for the quiz section. Similarly, we will get the created quiz by our Lead. We can attempt it. Let me just attempt this quiz. So yeah, We attempt our quiz successfully as well. Now the last but not the least, leaderboard. As we know, for learning anything, a healthy competition is must. And that is what the leaderboard do for us. So here we got the global ranking where the all members from different domains will be ranked based on their points they have so far obtained. One can filter them out from their respective domains as well. And yeah, this is what leaderboards are for. Now here is the profile section where the member can change their basic details and the profile picture. They can just simply paste any image at this URL and that will be redirected on their profile picture. Now let's go for the chat section. As you can see from the very long time, there is a chat option here. Yes, it's working. Now it's not completely connected to any bot in the backend, but for now it's provide the basic questions answer. As you can see, I just asked about how to submit assignment and it is pretty much helpful. And yeah, we will be upgrading it later. So this is all about the members. Now just to show you that our hosted website is completely working, let me just log in my member on the production one. So this is all about the members dashboard. So this is pretty much all about the project I developed using the anti-gravity, or you can say Google's anti-gravity. And based on my experience of using it, I will just suggest you that just go download it and give it a try and get used to it, because the upcoming era is a AI era and you can't avoid it. So this is all. Thank you for watching it. If you're watching till now, let me meet again with the new project.